Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find new servers to join on Discord in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the Add a Server button at the bottom of your server list on the left, and the Discover page opens. Click into the search box at the top of the page. Type in a topic you want to find servers about. For this example, I'm searching for Roblox, and press Enter to load the results. The search results appear below, showing all the public servers that match your search term. Click on one of the server cards to open its preview page so you can see more details about it. You'll see the server description, member count, and a list of online members on the right side of the screen. Click the Join button and a verification screen appears asking you to confirm you're human. A checkbox labeled I am human appears in the modal. Click the checkbox and a CAPTCHA puzzle loads on screen. Complete the CAPTCHA, in this case clicking Skip takes you to the next step, and a Verify button appears. Click Verify and you're taken to the server's main page. A Start Onboarding button appears in the center of the screen. Click Start Onboarding and the first onboarding screen loads, showing you the server rules. Read through each screen and click Next or Skip to move through them. On the final screen, click Finish to complete the process. The server channel view opens and the new server now appears in your server list on the left. If you don't see a Start Onboarding button, the server might not have that set up, and you can start browsing channels straight away. Some servers require you to accept rules in a specific channel before you can post, so look for a rules or welcome channel first. You can leave a server at any time by right-clicking its icon in the server list and selecting Leave Server. And that's how to find and join new servers on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.